What formerly belonged to the realm of science fiction has become a reality for soldiers, with advances enabling them to fight and win with next-generation technology. Recently, the U.S. Army accepted delivery of the first 20 prototypes of the Integrated Visual Augmentation System 1.2, or IVAS 1.2 variant. The milestone is the latest step in getting the most advanced version of the situational awareness system into the hands of soldiers. Microsoft delivered the 20 prototypes to Project Manager Soldier Warrior, the program office within the Program Executive Office Soldier responsible for overseeing the development of IVAS. On December 20th, 2022, the U.S. Army awarded a task order to Microsoft Corporation to develop the 1.2 variant of the Integrated Visual Augmentation System. This task order is the latest step in the process that began in March 2021, when the Army awarded Microsoft a firm fixed-price, other transaction authority production agreement to manufacture IVAS. Under that agreement, the Army envisioned improving the system through an iterative process, and this task order will provide improvements based on completed test events. IVAS is a single platform that features an all-weather fighting goggle and a mixed reality heads-up display that integrates next-generation situational awareness tools and high-resolution simulations to provide soldiers with improved mobility and lethality during the day or at night. IVAS provides soldiers with a single device to fight, rehearse, and train. This is a really big deal for the program, said Colonel Anthony Gibbs, PM SWAR. A little over a year ago, we did an operational test with version 1.0 of the system. We learned a lot. We got a lot of good soldier feedback. So, last summer, we came back and restructured the program. We took those lessons learned and all that soldier feedback and, in less than a year, have what we now call version 1.2 of the system. The IVAS is designed for dismounted, close combat force soldiers to integrate key technology systems into one device, enhancing situational awareness, lethality, survivability, maneuverability, and other warfighter capabilities, to include synchronization with soldiers in armored vehicles and helicopters. IVAS provides soldiers with a field of view nearly twice as wide as those offered by current systems. It is capable of navigation and passive target interrogation, which allows users to identify targets without being seen by opposing forces. Soldiers and squads will use IVAS to understand their operational environment better. Its enhanced low-light and thermal sensors improve target identification. IVAS integrates with ground and air platform sensors, allowing soldiers to see outside vehicles before dismounting into a hazardous situation. IVAS provides 3D mapping and navigation capabilities and can ingest data from unmanned aerial vehicles. IVAS complements what's currently in the Army's inventory while expanding close combat force capabilities by leveraging the digital architecture for shared awareness and computing at the edge, said Lieutenant Colonel Denny Dresch, Product Manager, IVAS. IVAS provides a first-person augmented reality perspective that enables the integration of operational data, such as routes and control measures, into the person's field of view. The system's embedded training tool, the Squad Immersive Virtual Trainer, also provides soldiers with objective-based scenarios and battle drills through holographic and mixed reality imagery, giving units the flexibility to train their squads with minimal resources. IVAS 1.0 provides baseline warfighter capability, and IVAS 1.1 features an improved low-light sensor to aid maneuver and positive target identification. In addition to the IVAS 1.1 improvements, IVAS 1.2 will include a new form factor to address human systems integration, including physiological impacts identified during testing, and a lower profile heads-up display with distributed counterweight for improved user interface and comfort. IVAS 1.2 will also include software improvements for increased reliability and reduced power demand. IVAS 1.2 builds on and improves on the capabilities of previous versions of IVAS, IVAS 1.0 and IVAS 1.1. Specifically, IVAS 1.2 incorporates reliability upgrades, features an improved low-light sensor, and introduces a new form factor with a lower profile heads-up display with a distributed counterweight for improved user interface and comfort. IVAS 1.2 also has the capability to attach to a combat helmet with a hinged device to allow soldiers to raise and lower the display, similar to traditional night vision goggles. IVAS 1.0 and IVAS 1.1 will primarily be issued to schoolhouses and operational units for use in training to support the Army's campaign of learning. The Close Combat Force will receive IVAS 1.2. Anybody who has had IVAS on, even the early versions, knows that this is a transformative capability and really has the potential to change the way that we fight, said Gibbs. This new version, 1.2, we think it's really going to hit the mark in terms of what we need to put out there for our soldiers, to give them the situational awareness and the leap-ahead capability they need to stay ahead of our peers. The 20 prototypes will be featured at a user assessment in August, during which 2 squads of soldiers will use IVAS 1.2 to measure the system's performance and ensure engineering efforts are on schedule and meeting design objectives. The IVAS will provide soldiers with a single device to fight, rehearse, and train by integrating next-generation situational awareness tools. The Army has conducted over 30 soldier test events and more than 100 technical sub-tests, with more than 1,000 soldiers contributing nearly 100,000 hours of IVAS user feedback. These tests validated the system's continued progress while identifying areas for focused improvements. The Army will continue to work with its IVAS industry partner, Microsoft, to execute the IVAS program rapidly and innovatively. The iterative and soldier feedback-oriented developmental process for IVAS will result in fielding substantial capability several years ahead of traditional acquisition program timelines. The Army is fully committed to IVAS and its leap-ahead capability for soldiers to prevail on the battlefield.